What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I gotta give you the game, man. I gotta give it to you and give it to you from a perspective of when I was coming up in the game, right, and building my network up. So I want to share with you my secrets for how to build that millionaire status for yourself. Just stay tuned. After the intro, we're gonna drop it. All right, let's go.
Headed to the top, they ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Let's talk about priorities for a minute, because people gotta get it together, man. We must get it together. Do what makes sense. Just do what makes sense, y'all. If you ain't got a whole lot of money left in your name, like, what's more important? Christmas gifts for your kids or making sure you pay the rent? What you think more important? I hope you said paying your rent. Like, seriously. Do things that just do things that make sense. If you know that you need to start your business, if you're trying to finish your business plan, or if you're trying to plan to get out that job, what are you doing every day when you come home from work? You at a job right now, what are you doing with yourself? I hope it's not drinking a beer and watching a game. Or playing the game. Video games. Whatever the hell you do. Stop that shit. How do you think you really gonna get out of that job? If you can't, listen to me. What you do with your free time is what's gonna dictate where you go with your life. Because the truth of the matter is, when you are an entrepreneur, there's nobody else around to make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do. So if you can't manage your time when you get off that job, then guess what? You ain't gonna make it in entrepreneurship. Point blank period. So stop dreaming about it, because you ain't built for it yet. You need to stop. Change your habits now, today. Right now, right this second. Start doing things different. Plan out your day. Write a to-do list every single day. And when you get real good at it, you're gonna write that to-do list the day before. And then if you get really, really good at it, you're gonna start planning that week out at the beginning of the week, and so on, the months ahead of time. And you might get to the point where you're years ahead of time. I seen Kevin Hart said that he got his movies planned out for 2 years from now. You know what I mean? Like, he already know what he doing. He know where he gonna be on dates a year from today. You see what I'm saying? So just do what makes sense, y'all. Stop doing stupid stuff. You say ain't nothing but on Facebook but drama. So why you keep going and getting on that shit every day? Know what I mean? Or better yet, why you still got the same friends posting all the drama? Why don't you unfriend their ass? And if you don't want to unfriend them, unfollow them. You don't have to keep looking at that shit. That's up to you. You know what I mean? You can't blame the whole Facebook because of what you choosing to do. You choosing to allow that stuff to be on your timeline. You know what I mean? You saying that your business is not growing? Well, who's in charge of growing it? You. You see what I'm saying? You can't save money. Well, who's in charge of saving the money? You. Okay, well, sometimes you got a situation where your bills are more than what your income is. So what do you do then? Increase your damn income. It's not hard. And increasing your income don't mean going to beg for a raise every day either. That means, all right, well, fine. They pay me this amount. Maybe I need to go do a side hustle. Maybe I know how to grow Instagrams, because I just got finished trying to do mine. So that's what came to mind. Maybe I know how to grow Instagram. So now I'm going to create Instagram pages and start selling advertisement on that Instagram page to people who want to grow their Instagram page that don't know how. I mean, figure out a side hustle. Do something different. You know how to cut hair. You know what I mean? But you should be saving money now. You know what I mean? There's no excuses to anything that you could think of. Is absolutely no excuse. Figure this shit out. You ain't got no car, walk. Catch the bus. Uber. Do something. Figure it out. You be the Uber driver. You know what I mean? If you got a car, you be an Uber driver then. Figure this stuff out, y'all. Just do what makes sense, though. Stop doing stupid shit. You getting drunk with your friends every night. Getting drunk, you getting high, and then you wake up the next morning feeling stupid as hell because you still homeless. You know what I mean? You still living with a relative, or you still behind on your bills. All type of shit. I mean, you probably won't be behind on your bills if you won't spend so much on weed or alcohol or whatever the case may be. I mean, I'm not bashing this stuff. I'm just saying do what makes sense. I drink alcohol, but I budget for that. You know what I mean? Like, do what makes sense. I can't say that enough. You see people are full of drama. Stop going around those people. Stop hanging with the same people who ain't doing shit. They never was doing shit. They ain't gonna be doing shit probably. But until they figure that out, that's on them. What you got to do is do what makes sense for you. Stop dealing with the same people. I don't care how long you known them. I don't care how long you known them. You know what made me stop smoking weed? When I was in, I think it might have been right after high school. I don't know when it was. But back in the day, I was a teenager, and I was smoking right in my friend's little shed. We had sheds in the back of the apartments that we was living in. And everybody would go in his shed, and we would just all smoke and get high as hell, and then we'll walk out, and you feel like you walking on fucking air. So when I left out, I was walking home because I was trying to hurry up and get home for a job interview I had at Dillard's, the store Dillard's. And on my way back to my apartment, way like in a whole nother court, I just crashed and fell asleep behind the rental office out there, the apartment complex. And when I woke up, it was hours past the time that I had to be at that job interview. And when I realized, like, damn, I just messed up a good paying job, because it was like $8-something an hour they pay, or $9 an hour, and back then the minimum wage was like $5.75, so that was good money for a young person at that time. And I was like, damn, I just messed up a job interview at a place that I really wanted to work, all because I wanted to get high. What the hell did I gain from getting high? And I was able to think that on my own at that age, and was able to realize, you know what? I ain't doing that shit no more. And that's what you got to be able to do, because you grown. I was able to do that as a teenager, but you got to be able to do that as an adult. Be able to realize, you know what? I ain't doing this shit no more, because every time I do this thing, whatever it is for you, it fucks me up. Every time I'm around this person, it fucks me up. Every time I'm around these people, you know what I mean? Or whatever the case may be. Every time I go this place, whatever it is, stop doing that. Just do what makes sense. It's about priorities. It's about just elevating yourself above things that bring you down. Point blank, period. Understand what's important to your life. Fuck what everybody else is doing, yo. If everybody talking about the newest show on TV, guess what? You probably shouldn't watch that show. If everybody going out to that particular club, you probably shouldn't be going to that club. You got to do the opposite of what everybody else is doing. Because if you're doing what everybody else is doing, then guess what? You just part of the crowd. You're mediocre. You're nothing more, you're nothing less. You're just mediocre. That's what you want? Is that what you want? Because if you want mediocre results, then continue to do mediocre things. Keep doing what everybody else is doing. See where they get you. You're just going to be regular. Nobody's going to remember you when you die. All because you chose to fit in. To be cool. You know what I mean? Like, come on, y'all. Figure this shit out. Figure it out. Let's change. Let's elevate. Let's do things different. And if it's that hard, like, if you want to make it easier, because I know it's tempting sometimes to want to do things even though it's not good for you. Well, you know what'll make it easier? If you separate yourself from everybody else. What's an easy way of separating yourself from everybody else? Move away. You know what I mean? Get away from everybody. Get away from those things. All of this stuff. But you got to make the right decision and do what's right for you, y'all. So I wanted to give you that this morning. Hopefully that helps. This is AJ Simmons. Thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Talk to y'all soon.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.